So hi, my name's Rose. I'm an ecologist from the Countryside and Wildlife team for Newport Talbot Council. We're here tonight at Margam Park. It's about 8 o'clock at night and we're here to look for some quite special creatures. So Margam Park is absolutely amazing. It's got some really high diversity of bats. So that's what we're here to look for tonight.
Right, this is an Anabat walkabout detector, and it basically takes the noise the bats make, because they echolocate at such a high frequency we can't hear it with our ears. It brings it down to something we can hear, and it also brings up a sonogram, so you can actually see the calls. So some of the species you've got are quite cryptic, but they still show the shape of the calls. You can identify them a lot better than you could just by hearing it on a heterodyne detector.
Nice. Does it actually tell you the species as well?
Yes, it can do, but you can also make a note of like what species you've got. So I've set my species lists and things.
Yeah, so usually we'd be here for bat walks, wouldn't we? And we're here, well over there is just where we see the lesser horseshoes. But how many bats do we have actually in
We've got
Margam?
14 species of bat in Margam Park, out of the 18 in the whole of the UK, so we've got, it's one of the best sites in Wales, if not the UK, for bats.
That's incredible.
So being able to come here to survey and watch the bats is amazing.
It's awesome, isn't it? And it's going dark soon, so obviously we're waiting for them to...
Yeah, we should start to see the noctules coming over soon as they're sort of the first bats we'll see flying up high. And then as it gets dark, we should start to see the lesser horseshoes light sampling.
Nice.
As they wait for it to become fully dark to come out and feed.
So we're looking forward to having a bit of a walk around and seeing if we can hear any.
Yeah.
So thanks for coming with us to around Margam this evening. We've had a really good evening. We've seen 5 different species of bats. So we've seen
the lesser horseshoes in the apple store. We've seen the common sopranos foraging around, the Dobentons on the pond, and the noctules flying high.
We've done quite well.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to join us for a bat walk, we do run them quite regularly throughout the summer. You can keep an eye on the website or on our social media for more details.